Hi guys, my name is Amit Kumar Shukla. All of you are very welcome on this channel. Friend, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel. Friends, in today's biography session, we will discuss the biography of Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, by name Netaji, respected leader, born 23 January 1897, Cuttack, Odisha in India, and died 18 August 1945 in Taiwan. Indian revolutionary prominent in the independence movement against British rule of India. He also led an Indian national force from abroad against the Western power during Second World War. He was a contemporary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, at times an ally and at other times an adversary. Bose was known in particular for his militant approach to independence and for his push for socialist policies. Subhash Chandra Bose, early life and political activity. The son of wealthy and prominent Bengali lawyer, Bose studied at Presidency College, Calcutta, from which he was expelled in 1916 for nationalist activities and the Scottish Church College graduation in 1919. He then was sent by his parents to the University of Cambridge in England to prepare for the Indian Civil Service. In 1920, he passed the Civil Service examination. But in April 1921, after hearing of the nationalist turmoils in India, he resigned his candidacy and hurried back to India. Throughout his career, especially in its early stage, he was supported financially and emotionally by an elder brother, Sharad Chandra Bose, 1889 to 1950 century, a wealthy Calcutta lawyer and Indian National Congress, also known as the Congress Party, politician. Bose joined the non-compression movement started by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who had made the Indian National Congress a powerful non-violent organization. Bose was advised by Gandhi to work under Chittaranjan Das, a politician in Bengal. There Bose became youth educator, journalist and commandant of the Bengal Congress volunteers. His activities led to his imprisonment in December 1921 century. In 1924 century, he was appointed Chief Executive Officer of the Calcutta Municipal Corporation, with Das as mayor. Bose was soon after deported to Burma, present Myanmar, because he was suspected of connection with secret revolutionary movement. Released in 1927, he returned to find Bengal Congress affair in disarray after the death of Das, and Bose was elected president of the Bengal Congress. Shortly thereafter, he and Jawaharlal Nehru became the two general secretaries of the Indian National Congress. Together, they represent the more militant left-wing faction of the party against the more compromising right-wing Gandhi faction. Vocal support for Gandhi increased within the Indian National Congress. Meanwhile, and in light of this, Gandhi resumed a more commanding role the party. When the civil disobedience movement was started in 1930 century, Bose was already in detention for his association with an underground revolutionary group, the Bengal Volunteers. Nevertheless, he was elected mayor of Calcutta while in prison, released and then rearrested several times for his suspected role in violent act. Bose was finally allowed to proceed to Europe after he contracted tuberculosis and was released for ill health. In enforced exile and still ill, he wrote the Indian struggle 1920 to 1934 century and pleaded India cause with European leaders. He returned from Europe in 1936, was again taken into custody and was released after 1 year. Meanwhile, Bose became increasingly critical of Gandhi's more conservative economics as well as his less confrontational approach towards independence. In 1938, he was elected president of the Indian National Congress and formed a national planning committee, which formulated a policy of broad industrialization. However, this did not harmonize with Gandhi economic thought, which clung to the nation of cottage industries and benefiting from the use of the country own resources. Bose's vindication came in 1939 when he defeated a Gandhian rebel for relation. Non-Idlesh, the rebel president, felt bound to resign because of the lack Gandhi support. He founded the Forward Bloc, hoping to rally radical elements, but was again incarcerated in July 1940. His refusal to remain in prison at the critical period of India history was expressed in a determination to fast to death, which frightened the British government into releasing him. On January 26, 1941 century, though closely watched, he escaped from his Calcutta residence in disgust and traveling via Kabul and Moscow, eventually reached Germany in April. Subhas' activity in exile in Nazi Germany, Bose came under the tutelage of a new created Special Bureau for India guided by Adam von Trott-Solz. He and other Indians who has gathered in Berlin made regular broadcasts from the German-sponsored Azad Hind Radio beginning in January 1942 century, speaking in English, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati and Pashto. A little more than 1 year after the Japanese invasion of Southeast Asia, Bose left Germany traveling by German and Japanese submarines and by plane and arrived in May 1943 in Tokyo. On July 4, he assumed leadership of the Indian independence movement in East Asia and proceeded with Japanese aid and influence to form a trained army of about 40,000 troops in Japanese occupied Southeast Asia. On October 21, 1943 century, Bose proclaimed the establishment of provisional independent Indian government and his so-called Indian National Army Azad Hind Fauj. Alongside Japanese troops advanced to Rangoon and thence overland into India, reaching Indian soil on March 18, 1944 century and moving into Kohima and the plain of Imphal. In a stubborn battle, the mixed Indian and Japanese force lacking Japanese air support were defeated and forced to retreat. The Indian National Army nevertheless for some time succeeded in maintaining its identity as a liberation army based in Burma and the Indochina. With the defeat of Japan, however, Bose fortune ended. A few days after Japan announced surrender in August 1945 century, Bose, fleeing Southeast Asia, reportedly died in a Japanese hospital in Taiwan as a result of burn injuries from a plane crash. Okay, friends, how did you like the video of ours? You must send your suggestion and feedback the comment box and do not forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you very much.